It's in Iowa, it's Idaho, it's Louisiana, it's so much of the GOP at this point. And I think what's really important here is that you cannot force feed Americans ahistorical information for the purpose of patriotism, because that's actually what's happening. They're afraid that people are not going to be equally invested in the narrative that has gone around literally for centuries. And if this country is so exceptional and as profound as the GOP suggests, and race is not so important, why do they feel the need to remove indisputable aspects of the country's history? Allow people to be patriots after they obtained a diverse array of information and they've developed their own critical thinking skills. Please tell me how limiting, censoring, and cherry picking what can be taught is any different than what the GOP claims is what happens in communist countries. Isn't the American way based on freedom of information and knowledge? So I think the question here really is, do we want historical facts and details that are researched and published by experts, or do we want nationalist-based thought? And to be frank, the latter is petrifying. Forcing schools to engage in ideological nationalism or not allowing them to engage race-based theory or critical race theory, for example, it is petrifying. And I think the most salient argument I can really make, Misha, regarding this dispute is, as an educator and a historian, that it's very important that we teach our students how to think, not what to think. And at this rate, the way the GOP is going, they're going to continue to indoctrinize their own citizens.
And your thoughts, Preston? I know that you also are in academia. Secondary to this question, though, is that what we see in certain states is that they are absolutely fine with critical race theory being taught in college, but they definitely don't want it in K through 12. Why is there such a distance there?
Yeah, first of all, brilliantly stated, Brittany. So I know that Derek Bell is rolling over in his grave right now for just how much the GOP is bastardizing